At 8:30 a.m., all stations over Goa reported light to moderate rainfall. The highest rainfall was recorded at Mapsa and Cancun. Both were 4 centimeters of rainfall. Other stations such as Valpoi reported 3 centimeters. Dabolim reported 36 mm, that is again 3.6 centimeters. Anji reported 12 mm of rainfall, that is 1.2 centimeters of rainfall. Now from today onwards, that is from 12th of October onwards, the rainfall activity over Goa is going to increase. The main reason for this increase in rainfall activity is a severe weather system called a deep depression, which is over Bay of Bengal as on today. The system is going to get intensified and move towards Andhra Pradesh coast, and it will cross the coast of Andhra Pradesh on 13th of October. Once it crosses the coast, it will start to weaken, but at the same time its movement towards west or northwestward direction is going to continue, and this will result in moisture incursion over Goa region, both from Arabian Sea as well as from Bay of Bengal. So rainfall activity is also going to increase, and as on today there is a weather system called trough which is extending from this very system up to east central Arabian Sea. So that also is bringing moisture over Goa as on today. So this increased activity is going to be there up to around 15th or 16th of October. Now the detailed warning goes like this. As on today, we have forecasted that there is a probability of heavy rainfall, that is rainfall exceeding 6 centimeters at 3 or 4 stations over North and South Goa districts, and very heavy rainfall, that is rainfall exceeding 12 centimeters in 24 hours. That is very likely at 1 or 2 stations over Goa, both the district of Goa, on 12th, 13th, 14th as well as on 15th of October. After that, the rainfall activity is going to slightly reduce. On first 3 days, that is on 12th, 13th and 14th, there is a probability of thunder also along with the rainfall. And on day 2 onwards, that is from 13th, 14th and on 15th, there are squally weather warnings off the coast of Goa. So fishermen are requested not to venture into sea on 13th, 14th and 15th because the wind speed will be approximately 40 to 50 kilometers per hour, and that is for Maharashtra coast as well as Goa coast starting from 13th of October onwards. Now if we go to the detailed warning, we can see that the fisherman warning is there for Kerala, Karnataka coast as well from today onwards. So fishermen should not venture into those regions from 12th onwards, and the second day onwards, that is from 13th onwards, warnings are there for Goa coast as well. Now when this continued rainfall, rainfall exceeding 12 centimeters is going to be there for more than 1 or 2 days, there are probability that regions which are vulnerable for weather related disasters or heavy rainfall related disasters, they should be they should be monitored properly. People living in those areas should be taken precautions, because when the rainfall continues, very heavy rainfall continues for 2 or more days, there are probability that localized waterlogging or localized flooding may happen, and there are chances of localized mudslides or rock falls, and then weak trees or weak structures may get collapsed. That is all when this very heavy rainfall continues over a place for more than 1 or 2 days. So it's requested that public be updated from the latest information and warning issued by IMD, either on its social media platforms or on its websites. This increase of rainfall activity from today onwards was already forecasted by IMD from 10th of October itself.